Welcome back. It's Wireman's Whimsy, and we are going to make the third project in the January 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So let's get started. This one is super duper quick, but how awesome is this card? You've got your keyhole in the front. They've put some fresh freesia in behind. So we are going to really quickly just build this card. What we need is the greeting that says, "You hold the key to my heart," and we're going to ink that up like that. And then we are going to stamp it down right in the middle, all lined up. There we go. "You hold the key to my heart." And what we need to do is we've got our little vellum piece here. We need to put adhesive dots on our piece of vellum, and we need to put dimensionals on our greeting. Oh, and I've managed to stick the backing of one down. These backs are all over my house. They get tracked all over the house. My husband can always tell when I've been crafting because there's bits everywhere. So we're going to peel these off, and this comes down here near the bottom of the card but centered, so let's just pop that down like that, and then we put our greeting over top, layer it up with the dimensionals, pop that down so we're straight. Okay, and the next thing we need to do is we need to tie that bow onto our key. So I'm just going to see how we need to do that, and I have a feeling we don't actually tie it to the key. So I'm just going to flip around to the front, and no, we don't tie it to the key. We add the key on, and then we add the bow on afterwards. So as I say, I build these cards. This is the first time I've built these. I don't pre-build or anything like that. I just as if I was you and just took it straight out of the package, which is really just what I've done. Okay, so I'm going to peel the backs of those off, just like that. And this goes right in the middle, like that. And then we take our piece of 6-inch linen thread and we tie it in a bow, and I'm going to see if I can do this. They say you need a 6-inch piece, and I'm thinking that being me, I probably need a longer piece, but let's just see if I can get this bow tied. Oh, look at that. First try. How awesome is that? Okay, so let's just tie that up. I'm going to trim this one end off because it's a little bit long. And then I need to take one of my adhesive dots, and I need to put it on the back of the bow. It's right where the knot is. Okay. And then I need to take this and I need to put it on the top of the key, just like that. So it's not actually tied around the key, but it's on the top of the key. So that is project number 3 in the Key to My Heart January 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned now. I'll do one more alternate today, and then it'll be an alternate every day this week. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.